Butterflies. They are colorful and delicate insects that undergo a fascinating transformation from caterpillars to adults. And this process is called as metamorphosis. They are very important pollinators and are often seen fluttering around flowers. Bees. They are very important pollinators that play a crucial role in the ecosystem by helping plants reproduce. They live in colonies with a queen bee and are known for producing honey and beeswax. Ladybugs. They are small, brightly colored beetles with distinctive red and black spots. They are very beneficial to gardens as they feed on aphids and other plant-eating pests, and thereby they help to control their populations. Ants. They are social insects. They live in organized colonies with a complex social structure. They work together to build nests, gather food, and care for their young ones. They exhibit impressive teamwork and communication skills. Grasshoppers. These insects are known for their powerful hind legs, which allow them to jump great distances. They produce chirping sounds by rubbing their wings or legs together and are commonly found in grassy areas. Dragonflies. They are agile flyers with long bodies and two pairs of transparent wings. They are often found near water. They are skilled predators and feed on mosquitoes and other small insects, and this makes them quite beneficial to the environment. Beetles. They are a diverse group of insects with hard, shell-like wings, which are called as elytra. They come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, and can be found in nearly every habitat around the world. Crickets. They are nocturnal insects known for their distinctive chirping sounds. They produce this sound by rubbing their wings together. They are often associated with warm summer nights and are found in fields and gardens. Praying mantises. These are predatory insects with long, spiny front legs that they hold in a prayer-like position. They are skilled hunters that feed on other insects, and their unique appearance makes them quite fascinating to observe. Fireflies. These are insects that produce light through a chemical reaction called bioluminescence. They're often seen glowing at night in warm, humid environments and use their lights to attract mates and communicate.